Hey everybody, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in the studio to take a close-up look at the Weston Pro Mod Series modular bumper for the Ford F-150 and a few of the complementing accessories. We recently did a video about the Weston HDX side steps, got another one coming up about the HDX rear bumper, and for all these products we're going to have installation guide videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to check out all those installs. Now all these parts can be bought at the Motoroso marketplace, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. Let's go ahead and dig in. In the last few years, the aftermarket industry has taken the off-road bumper game to DEFCON 9. And it seems like now there are hundreds of different options in sizes, shapes, styles, no matter what it is that you're looking for. Now, a lot of those products will set you back $2,000 to $3,000, and they are tough as nails and packed with features, and that's awesome. But this Weston product is sitting on the shelf today because this product comes in at under $1,000, and it's gonna stand up to 90% of the abuse that most people are gonna throw at it. So here's some of our favorite features. The mod part of the Pro Mod Series bumper means modular. And that means instead of one big one-piece product, it's several components that can be bolted together, and it allows the bumper to have a pretty different design from your typical one-piece bumpers. It also allows you to pick and choose exactly what you want it to look like. For example, you can use these grill-style inserts or leave them out, or you can replace them with cube-style fog lights. You can also choose to use the light bar or the skid plate, and all of this is modular to decide exactly what the end result should look like. And it definitely has a different style than your typical one-piece bumper. Another benefit is that it's also lighter. The individual components are lighter, making it easier to install. Think about it, when you're trying to install a 250-pound bumper, you're definitely going to need at least 2 people to do that, or some sort of hoist system. In this case, it can be installed by one person without too much additional effort. Now, any off-road bumper is going to have to be tough. And the Weston modular design here actually allows them to keep the whole product lighter when it's assembled, but still be strong, because the modular design basically allows them to create a framework structure that adds strength. And the whole thing is built out of 10-gauge steel, and it's coated with a textured black powder coat that can stand up to the rigors of off-roading, and the whole thing comes with a 3-year warranty, so Weston's got your back. Now, having a tough bumper is obviously important, but one of the best ways to protect your investment and keep everything looking clean is not to go banging into shit in the first place. So Weston designed this bumper with a low profile, high angle of attack, and high ground clearance to keep the trail off your truck. Now, the Pro Mod Series bumper being modular allows you to accessorize as well, and Weston offers tons of great accessories. Now, we've opted for 2 accessories. First, the skid plate, which is about $240, matching 10-gauge steel, and of course matching color with the black powder coat. A quick bolt-on addition, give you that extra protection, that extra Baja look. The bumper also has an opening that will accommodate most 30-inch light bars, but Weston makes a light bar that is aluminum body, 12,600 lumens, and dual row LEDs, and it's also only $240, and it fits in, of course, perfectly. Now, with these 2 items being about an additional $500 and this coming in at $870, you're still well under $1,500 for this whole setup, fully accessorized. All right, that wraps up our spotlight video on the Pro Mod Series bumper and these accessories. We'll put all the part numbers and the links to these in the description of the video, and you can shop for these and millions of top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum at Motoroso.com. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and we've got our installation videos for all this coming up as well, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.